How to block someone on Kakao Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Kakao Talk. Whether you're trying to avoid unwanted messages or just want some peace of mind, blocking someone is quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. First, open the Kakao Talk app on your phone. If you haven't already, make sure you've logged into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be taken to your main home screen. Here you can find various options like friends, channel. Now, in the friends section, choose the person that you want to block. Now, simply swipe left to the person, and here you can find an option that says hide and block. Now, we're going to block this person, so simply tap on block. By doing this, you will successfully block someone on Kakao Talk. If you change your mind, you can always unblock them by following the same steps, or you can by going to the settings and going to blocked contact option. And that's it, you've successfully blocked someone on Kakao.